ki khubor na ka shlem jong nong san hima.
Kador bar shnong shaj oj harkat ke jinget railang bat kisunjuk menteri shnong oj diwa bat shnong memarjan hni kesngi ka arpunyau terik urampang arhajar arpway kela penlong ya ka peace rally ha kapor khatway beje menstep ya ka balas dang na kayo umjaran bat penkut hamadan shaj oj kum kada kajing persya ya kajing syak tombor kinong bala jong ka Saint Xavier Girl Hostel ha kamit arp sauterik ha kaba wei unong bala ulaklatno bat kadba kiwei pan kela mensau ha kani karali la yeshim benda de ki khna school bat ki pajba nong song snong kani kathan harangkat ki plakat ki bala tho ban penrem persya ya kini ki riu runar ki bala le ya kani kakam Hadin kejingiat rali layo ru ya kejingelang hamadan syaj oj hakaba layo ya kejingkren na ki menteri snong baper jong kani kathan na UMLA kamokrat uba Renington lengdo UMDC uba Karnes Sochang u principal ka Saint Xavier Higher Secondary School oj Father Paul Joel Ho Father Parish Priest jong ka Parish Mokruan Father Vicky Friday Karsimyong bat kiwei hagaba kila penremjur ya kejingle riu klau kini ki runar ke bala shim sundon wat ne kejing imbriu bat dawaru nakabor jong ka an makin twet bat kem ne kini ki runar ke badon kiti ha kane kakam.
My heart is still sad from the events of that day.
Kamansim jonga kapang bakasalud nagajingja hagatu kasni.
My heart is sad for the workers who came to work here. They were innocent. They came here because we promised we would look after them and protect them. They came here to build a school for our children of this area, not for themselves.
Nasalud namar kitu tinong bela tibo ngiwan yalam bantrei nagamenta gadi ka school hagadi katan kidai ki ban luiloy ban ngila pular iki bagin ai ya kata ka jingyada abagin wan bantrei syagadi ka benta.
You may wonder why we did not bring local workers and local contractors.
Pila ban sulingo balengi kamwan yalam yaginong bala nagadi ka jaj bandriyo lejong lani yaki kontraktor ibadai ka lejong.
Behind me you can see a building built by Malay Thaba.
Sedian janga pila bani yakatay ka jingtay ka building kabalatay dayba Thaba.
The buildings at our school have been constructed by Pa Fulgent and a team of our local workers.
Kajingtay siya katay kaway galyang katay kajingtay ang malatay lagi kontraktor lejong kabalatay.
We have always endeavored to employ local people because we would also like our buildings to benefit the local community.
Ijuka barabor dan ay yang jingtay juni sagi kontraktor lejong tinong tray lejong ba namar bangi waru bakat bangi nang pentrei ya kanu kakam kajing mentoy kan let lang seki.
We were forced to bring outside workers for several reasons.
Imbanse banwanyalam ng tray na sabar namar bon kidaw bagi jing kibangia kundo.
The first, the buildings are complicated and we need very skilled, very knowledgeable workers to help us to build them.
Kawaning kong galong baka building kabangi tu bansna kalong kaba o kaba jerwan bangi don kam yakinong tray kibala tebet hadu tata ban tray ban sanjur ya kita ki building.
The second, we did not have and we still do not have enough money to bring local contractors. Our money is limited, but our dreams for you all are very big.
Kau kabenta kabaar kalong bahado menta hiduna pisa bangin don hiru pisa andai da kajingdon kabakendiat ikwa ban penurlong ya kijing trang bagi jing angnut naga benta jong pi ki padba.
We need good buildings not only because it is something we will take pride in, but also because the people who have given us the money would like to make sure the money is well used. Workers to do the specialized work. You would have taken also many of our own local people, as we have in the past, to support and help with the construction work. You already know we followed every procedure, we met every official, we got every license required to make sure we worked according to the law. Not as sad because one man has died, 7 have been injured badly. We do not know if those 7 men will be able to work again, how soon, and how they will support their families.
Abang kadulur nabar way na
My heart is sad also for the second reason. For my students at St. Xavier's, who have already suffered this year because of the pandemic, and now again their school is closed. The exams are coming. There is much to be taught because of the pandemic, the classes they missed. And here we are with a closed school. They are nervous. They are sad. Most of all, they are anxious because they're not sure when their school will reopen. My heart is sad also for a third reason.
kadulur jonga kapat sagna benta kadaw kabalay.
It is sad because we know in a couple of days the young men who did this will be caught, they will be punished, and they will suffer.
Now, ang kadulur nabar ba kabenta kabalay kalong kauniyo kuna besi kunale hindi kaman insyakan yung kaset kadong yung but besi kani kalong kaigay kabang pinpangot iya kaman sing jonga.
My heart is sad because these are our children
Kadulur jonga
from our families, from our villages.
Idai nagiging isang gijongi, nagisnong gitaw, magkikain gijongi.
We Jesuit fathers have also come to serve them.
Ngikul kipadar Jesuit iwan, bansakari, nakabenta gajongki.
We cannot be happy in their pain and suffering.
Ngino, nakwaban keran kenyat kikentien, kibangasgo, kilong kibad kongsan, nakabenta jongi iway piway.
Violence to any problem, to any people.
Kajing yung umsnam, kamjulong. Kajing yung umsnam, kamjulong, kajing job. Nakabenta kano, kajing ele, nakabenta kano, kajing angnur kajongi.
The pain and the suffering from violence never ends because there's always a desire for revenge, never for forgiveness.
Kajing
If we, the Jesuit fathers in the school, make a mistake,
lalamangi kung kipadar Jesuit nilale bakla ay.
please come and talk to us. We're always willing to listen to you. I feel you're not understanding us. I will meet you.
Lalangas ko wapim laban skotu. Ya kajing sendur kajongi ngalong ru bakloy berman ya kendu ya piru.
We are here to serve you. We have to work together. We cannot be on two opposite sides. We are teammates on the same team. I know you're happy to have our school and the college, and we are very happy to have this opportunity to serve you.
Natip bapikman bangi wanra
Cannot run the school and college without your help.
ginomla ban
Let us work together with trust, with respect, and with love and understanding. Pray that God may bless us all.
kadwai bau play un kerku yangi iway pa iway.
God bless you, Lord.
Along ka jing le jong ki riu dom. Kadai ka jing le jong ki riu dom. Ngim tip mano badon banta hang ne. Ngim tip mano badon banta hang ne hadu banta ngim patip. Na kalian ka ai kan le ialah ka jong ka bata ban wat yang kita ki badan bata handai ko ki parlok pe iko abrong epi babaro ni persya ya kene kecing le ni persya ya kene kecing le ni priang sobha ni kersan ya kecing ya ke ki balong konstitusional ya kecing ya ke jo ki samla pule ya kecing ya ke jo ki sang halang ha ka bagi keren habashai ha ka bagi keren persya banda wara ke sarkar ban menteri kamar rai ki ain ban dai ko ri ban kajaj ban reu ni support ya kita kecing ya ke ki balong konstitusional kiban nom don kano kajing penmersau lane pen alane kajing penmong yano handai ko ki parlok kajing penmisnam la keren ni farar pol ba violent kajing penmisnam kam day ka solution kam day ka banwanra ban penkut no kajing kajing ni da kajing penmisnam hangno ukpa jong kari India mata makan di ulayalam ya kari harta kan non violent movement kajing ya ke kram penmisnam badda kata kajing ya ke kram penmisnam ngila yo ya kajing ya do jong kari ngila job dakan non violent movement ngila job kum kari ban yo ya kajing ya do ko ki khon ko ki rangba berkilong mi kalpa to ngin nang ngai hakane ka non violent movement bangin ya ke kram penmisnam ngin dawa kram penmisnam bang dan kembali lek kumta ka perthai kan yu iangi bangi long reu ki bashai Father, we come here today to be a part of your problem, as Madam has said, to be a part of your disappointment. We know you are sad, we know you are worried, and Father, today we come here as a society to be along with you, and we assure you that we will be with you every time. And as you have seen that all the public has come together today, we come to show that we want to work together with Jesuit, with Saint Xavier College, and we will be a part of this college. Kapang yung Chief Minister, siya pang gali ka jingjia, but kat bagay keren, Chief Minister, lalong kumatangon, daw ternampak na kali jonga, banong baranek ka kabangin le manta, ya ka Southwest ka Sahel, ngidon ki proposal ki bahe, ki bakraw, ki developmental project na ka Southwest ka Sahel barakaway, tang naga tourism ngidon ka proposal kumno lais pak crore, ban promote ya ka tourism hakini gidong ki tanjongi kamau kerwat haduk hanong na ranikor barakaway ban promote ya ka tourism hakabangi kmi nanti bari ki hajar ki paipa ki ruan na keleng kari India ban yok ban wan pet ya ki itanap jong ne ka dong ka tanjongi ngin le kumno. I think we have to call back. We have ban wengno let's say ka proposal ya ka ba ka sarkar ka perkhat ban wan rai ka roi ka par hagani ka dong ka than jong parlo ko ba ni thoi phi ka jing kemen nga ko MLA ka long hadin ni ka ba yo I ba ka we hadin ko ipat ki educational institution ki wan hagani ka dong ka than jong hadin balawan kare ka institution hangne ka Saint Xavier College hadin balawan ka JNB hantai hamalong wir mawerang hadin balawan hakaban suyo ban sedang ban yo banteno ya ka Iglesia Residential School hantai harang mau domjati hadin balawan ki school ki babha ki institution ki babha ngala keren ki babon ki jaka ban ong ngakme lenti ki ini ki institution ki banwan kin penkelador ya kadong ka than jongi berkat melenti hakababon spa ngot ki breu jongi ki samla jongi kin ya yo kam kin ya yo jam na kini ki institution ki bawan ka way hadin ka way pat hadin hakabag sarkar ka berkat ban penroy ban promote ki tourism na melenti para ki hajar ngot ki samla jongi kin ya yo kam kin ya yo jam na kini ki development pair hakabag sarkar kala initiate barwan ra ka kadong ka than kadum ke jember ke jemberkan hadir hakabang yo I bat kini ke jia hakane kadong ka than jongi ki jingle reu klau ban atak ya ka institution, ban atak ya ki school institution, ban atak ya ki religious places, ya ki jaka mane balai, ban atak ya ki jaka pule, kalong ka jingle jong ki rudong. Kadai ka jingle jong ki rudong, ngintip mano badon banta hang ne, ngintip mano badon banta hang ne, haduk banta ngim patip, na kalian ka ain, kan le ya ka jong ka banta, ban wat ya kita ki badan banta. Handai ko ki parlok pe iko abang epi babaro ni persya ya kene kejingle ni persya ya kene kejingle ni priang sobha ni kersan ya kejing ya ke ki balong konstitusional ya kejing ya ke jo ki samla pule ya kejing ya ke jo ki sang halang ha ka bagi keren habashai ha ka bagi keren persya banda wara ke sarkar ban pentre kamar ra ki ain ban dai ko ri ber kajat ban reu ni support ya kita kejing ya ke ki balong konstitusional ki ban nom don kano kajing penmersau lane pen alane kajing penmong yano handai ko ki parlok kajing penmisnam la keren ni farak pol ba violent kajing penmisnam kam dei ka solution kam dei ka banwanra ban penkut no kajing kajing ni da kajing penmisnam hanglo ukpa jong kari India mata kali ulayalam ya kari harta kan non violent movement kajing ya ke kram penmisnam badda kata kajing ya ke kram penmisnam ngila yo ya kajing ya lo jong kari ngila job da non violent movement ngila job kum kari ban yo ya kajing ya lo ko ki khon ko ki rangba bakilong mi jalpa to ngin nang ngai hakani ka non violent movement bangin ya ke kram penmisnam nginda wa kram penmisnam bang da ka bang le kumta ka perthai ka yu iangi bangi long reu ki bashai. Father, we come here today to be a part of your problem, as Madam has said, to be a part of your disappointment. We know you are sad, we know you are worried, and Father, today we come here as a society to be along with you. And we assure you that we will be with you every time. And as you have seen that all the public has come together today, we come to show that we want to work together with Jesuit, with Saint Xavier College, and we will be a part of this college. From my side, as a legislator, as an MLA of this area, we want to assure you that we people of this area, we will be along with this college. Ikwa abang epi bangin ya trelang haki benta baro, mat kasorkar kan le ela kajong kabenta. Hoy is go to kumbaong ifara Friday. Bakalong ka ya kasorkar ban ay kata protection man kasngi man kamit kamlong ka masuk ban ay kata kajingada. Dari kebadan kami kalau bangin change bangin perkelai kam mentality kejongi ya ka perkhat ka perdan jongi breu kemana kali karo na kali karo kata ka perkhat ka perdan bangin nang perkhat mai dok nang nisakmat bangin nomle ikni kijingle ki balong persya ya ka imlang salang persya ya ka ri ya ka breu persya ya ka India jongi baro koi ya kuslai baro khot ikni jingjia mar ka kata iki khon ki jongi population ba hak bagi bereu ki pek bangi dei kita ki jaj bereu kita ka jaj bereu ka bom ya kwa penetrelang mertuai pak parlok nomor kata yuan hang ni barwan ai mensim ya ka Saint Xavier College yuan hang ni barwan ai mensim ya ki bedon penta bat kene ka school bat kene ka college na kalian kabalang Roman Catholic kila sim kia haduk kata-kata barwan ra ya ka jingshai hakini kidok kitai ban sedang di school hakalan di jaka lada dei bagi perkhat perkamai spa perkamai tangka ngangets kam kare college kanom wan hangne kanom wan hakane jaka ka bhajngai hangne hangi hakabagi nom yo ek student ki bobon ki student ki dente ki badok ki batoy ki myo ek ki khon ba ruspa ki baron hasol shalom ngakme ngangets kam bakati wan juga ne college hangne kalong baik barwan ai ka jing sakri ya ki paiba jongi hangne baki khon baduk batoy jongi nang kinyo ek jingna ki start mapaka kinyo ek taka quality education namar kata ngawan hangne Barwan I am same kum MLA ya kene ka college barga tibelti ba kene college kan stang biang ala yo ban keren menen lema ka statement haki kot kubo ya kwa barwan mantamar khamat hangne barwan I am same kene college barga tibelti ba kene college kan slow be courage father be courage ban sedang biang ya kene college barga tibelti ba pin slow da ke jera lang jungi bar khoi hangne haka bangi ya don lang marsunda ba kene college barna kalian jonga kumulong ikman hawa chisha Usnam Arpaway Arpar. I promise you, we will extend our support, financial support, little bit, whatever the amount we can do, a minimum of 5 lakh, we will contribute to this college. We will contribute through SRWP to this college. But ni kuat ban yarap ke college lah kalau kanu berta ke college kan sa perkhat ke kemerta what kind of work that you want to do it depends to you and you will please put me an application for that amount that you require at least for the minimum 5 lakh and for any kind of work that you want we will extend the financial support
ya kani ka district ya kani ka jala ka jungi namar kawan cia ya ka tanrai jong ka jinglong priyo ka jungi kawan cia ban penthut ban penwet ya kelenti jong ka jingnang ka jing start lese kini ki perlok jungi ki man ki para ki jungi ki bale ya kani ka kam kim don ya ka jingnang ka jing start kilaban pas kelas 10 kilaban pas kelas 12 kilaban pas ki degree ba fer rekim don ya kata jingnang ka jing start kebapaka kebadai ke jingnang jing start kebadon kata jing tip riu tip lay bat ke jing start partai lese kinang taban pulei aubi kinang ban thok ya kita kum kani ke jing jia kum UMDC jong kani ka constituency kum unong mikmat jong kani ka dong than ngasngau ban penpau khmat jong pi penpau po jong kani ka district penpau po ka jelai bor koi banga persya jur ya kani ka jing le riu klau jong kibru ki bom tip ki badon kti banwan yar khma ya ki jaka pule nabangi kum ka dong than ngila sok men isu sarong bakani ka seng jesuit kifana na ka jesuit klasim ya karai kesenjang ka ba hadu kata-kata banwan sedang hang ni kajing lut kajing sep kabor kajing mut kajing perkat kaplan kajing ka baki hapshim banmat ban sedang ya kani ka school ban sedang ya kani ka college niso thok tum ki paiba nong sung bakani kajing wan le kajung ki kajing wan sedang jung ki kani ka mission kan long na ka ki khon ki kti ki jungi ki kseu ki jungi kapateng ki jungi ayo nginyo mangi nang kani ka college ayo mangi nginyo anak kani ka mission ki jungki ngim yo henry ki khon ki kti jungi kinyo ya ki jingnang ki start ka paka naba bitip kum ki paiba ba kani ka sang jesuit kadoni ki college ki ba pau bar ki ba serkai ki ba kiwi ki college ki ma bar yele ha ka jing ra kurkom berpenyai ka jing kiu jong kani ga sang ban warai ki to college po ka partai ki don baki ni kmelan ti mo kani ka college ka baki don hang ni kan sa ay kata ka standard ya kata ka jing nang jing start bat kita ki department ki bakin sawara la syai ki judging pule ki bahar kom ki don hang ni ka bangi i lupa ya ka jing sim jaka ka jungki ka bakala i baka plan ka jungki kalong na ka banta berwara simpun kilat jing kai hang ni hapo moy tani kalong dak benta jongi ki khon ki kseu jongi la sai la chisni nabang imla ba dia pen ya ka jing nang ka jing start ngimla ba dia dino ba dia thino ya ka jing nang ka jing start ngidon tang ka benta ka ba ki khon ki haban pule ki hap sai kai ki noi kai nang ta ki sanang kisakiu na kawai kapor sa kawai pat. Kakersyaan niya kani ka mission ka jongki rengkat bat pi ki pat ba ngai wer ki badon hang ni ki bom don hang ni ki bayo sngo lomba jong kani kasur ki bayo I lomba ki kubor lase ngai pakini ki media kin yo ban pen I ka jing kerpat ke jonga ki pi ki pat ba sobha ngin mi shkmat ban ai ka jing kersan ya kini ki father Jesuit ba ki nangla ban trei bagi nangla ban teng ya kadika kam ngi kerpat kini ki father bas ngau ba banom ino ya kadika dong katang jungi ngin don bat pi ngin kersan bat pi ngin yele rengkat bat pi ya kinu kinu ki jing yele nang ni shkmat dan mar kata kum kada kajing sungu kajing buram bat kajing kersan kujungi ya kini ki father Jesuit ba kinang laban trei ya kani commission kejuki hang ni ngakhot ngaware pik pat ba manta sobha bani yang sipor sobha bani yang ni ki jaka syong juki sobha bani yang baru akan ba kidon kum kada kajing kersan jungi ya kini ki father bat ya kani kersan Jesuit dah ka bagin ya thap ti jam bagin yo ya kabor kajing support kejuki
Tamar bagi syariah ini bagi long sipenta jam ke kam penroy bagi tei ki simentalang bagi tei biar coba kating just tei banan tai na karo hills bagi dan ke college santai bilang nagar loyal ka bagi bahan ni cukup di ini ki jingle jom ini ki recover kedau bagi dan kamen siam jom kecimpang kecipusli nimla bele ya lagi Imai lah, ini hari tinggal tu. Ini satu ayah dah balik ni leh. Isulek junction.
Ngam kren tang ha kaliang jonga. Nrei badru ha kaliang barok khana school barok kuwei. Kipara khana school ha kane ka school jongi. Nidas ngusi shisha hadu kata ya ke ei kabala jia hangne. Ha kaba Nila yo sneu ba ka school jungi kasa shakhang dam dat hadu ba inda yo kamya kitei kibru dusman ba kumjuru ka school kabu jinge bakin nom jia eshu hadin habut ni khna school jong ka Saint Xavier oi bentai ni don hapdeng ka jing pensange ya kikam kijam namar imtip lanu kanma dan kindet for metau snem niladu bun ki class namar jong kane ka khlam baro shtlu ka perthai nrei kane baro kamde ka jing bakla jongi hi kamde ka jing bakla jong ka school nrei ne ka kam bakin snu thu ki balale yani khna school jong kane ka school namar ki exam jongi ru kilapoi hajan Nila don shisha hapding jong kajing kabakraw namar ni kermen barabor bangin namdu tang kawai kasnamru